Hello there! Today we are going to make a net. So are you excited for this activity? Well, that's lovely. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see 3 steps right here. And why don't we start making a beautiful net? Well, at first we will start by making this oval right here. It needs to be a very flat oval. Do not make it very fat. After making a smaller oval, let's make a bigger oval above it or outside of it. After that, let's make these 2 slanting lines and then the handle. This looks great. Once we are done with this, let's do the outer part of the net. Yes, just the outline of it. This is great. Now we will start making the outline with the help of our black sketch pen. Go very slow while outlining this. This looks amazing. Continue outlining in a similar way. Outline exactly on top of the drawn part and complete this bottom area. Well, we are not going to make the inside part of the net with the sketch pen, as that is something we will make with a crayon. At first, let's take purple color and do this part. This part is very thin. Hence, we are going to use the edge of our crayons. Let's complete coloring this similarly. It is alright if you don't outline this and directly color inside, as it is a very small portion. Press the color and do not keep any white spaces. This looks lovely. Let's take our blue color and do the handle part. Here we can do the outline first and then press the color and color inside so that we do not have any white spaces. Now comes the fun part. Let's take our maroon color or pink color and start making our net. For this, we will start by making the standing lines at first. Yes, let's make it on the top at first. And then make a slanting line like this. Yes, it needs to be in a curve. Do not make an exact sleeping line. Make this in a curved position. After that, we will continue making these lines at the bottom part as well. Let the lines exactly be in proportion to the ones which are made on top. Yes, it needs to be a continuation of the top part. After that, we will start making these curved lines. Yes, in a sleeping pattern. And look, we've gotten the net right. This is amazing.